Hi, so you're enrolled in the class now, and we're using Canvas to try this out. So I just want to give you a little brief introduction. When you come into the course, Programming and Computer Applications, that's EGR 130, you'll land here, and you'll see that we have a little description of the course, and you can click here. There are things that are hyperlinked to check out the course syllabus. That includes your grading information and all those kinds of things, and then you're going to want to move on to week 1. Sorry, I clicked on the photo so it pulled up the Flickr feed on it. So when you go into week 1, you'll see what we're working on this week, and you can see we have the Getting Started, Google, Excel, and Mechanical Advantage. You'll also see, you can tell kind of by these little icons what they are, and this is the week 1 general introductions. It's a discussion board, so you can tell by the icon what you're going to see there. So I hope as you progress through these modules, you'll understand what's happening. So if we look at week 1, Getting Started, all right, when you go into the page here, you can see what you're going to be doing with week 1. So you'll see here I've written the learning objectives out for you. This will help you, if you look at them, probably to see what the takeaway is from each unit. All right, and then as you go through here, there are required resources, and this page in every week will give you an overview of everything that has to be done in the week. All right, so it's broken down by everything you're required to do, no matter what the topic is, any additional recommended resources, and finally assignments. However, that's really just to give you an overview of what everything that has to be done. Instead, what you might like to do after you peruse that is go in and say, okay, I'm going to do the Google section first. And then you can see exactly what has to be done relative to Google, all right? And you may laugh and think I already know how to use Google, but I'll guarantee you there's some things in here that you don't know right now. So if you go back, then you can go in and see what has to be done with Excel, okay? And all that information is hyperlinked as well. So I hope that this gives you an idea. So we're started off getting oriented to the course. We're going to do some introductory stuff on Google, Excel, then we're going to move into some content on Mechanical Advantage. And I know what you're thinking is, what does this have to do with programming? Well, we're building to that, okay? But we also want to cover this information on Mechanical Advantage and Simple Machines. So I hope this helps, and I can't wait to get started in this course with you.